Good morning. Hi, well, it's going to be you, Caitlin. So good morning, Caitlin. How are you? I hope you're doing well.
Good morning, Caitlin. Hi.
We need our girl in here. You're our only girl. So come on, Caitlin. We're cheering for you.
That's right.
So let's begin. We're going to go over what day it is first, as usual. Are you ready, Caitlin? You can hum along with it in your head or use your voice. I don't know if you make any noises. You can move to it. Days of the week. 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 He loves that. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Clap, clap. Oh, good job! And he only clapped. Good job, Jeremiah. Josiah, I mean.
Very good.
Yesterday was Tuesday. So now we need to see what comes after Tuesday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's... Oops, that's the weather. I should have had this out already. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Friday
No.
or Wednesday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's... If you said Friday, nice listening and nice turning a chance, but it's actually Wednesday. Nice job. And that means tomorrow, the day after today, is it Thursday or is it Sunday? I thought I had Saturday there for a minute. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Sunday and there's Friday. That sounds a little silly. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday. That sounds better. Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. So I'm not sure what to do with the weather today because right now, well, it seems like it's starting to cloud up. It's going to be off and on rain, thunderstorms. But for now, when I look out, it seems a little sunny. So I'm going to put sunny up for now, and maybe we'll have to change it later. Get all wet later. They should need to take some of this rain, Caitlin, and ship it to the west. They need it. They're having big water problems and fires. They need the rain. Not a thunderstorms, though. They don't need the chance of a fire starting. They have enough of those. So let's see what day of the week, what number it is today. Now, yesterday we changed into the 20s. Before that, every letter started with a 1. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9, and then we went into the 20s. 2 0, 2. What would that make it? Would it make it 2 1, 21, or would it be 20, 22? Which would come after 2 0? We just really need to look at the second number. So today is 21. Let me turn this back this way. So today is Wednesday, July, I almost said January, 21st, 2021. We're almost in August, not far from now. That's the way it goes, right? That's the way the cookie crumbles. We have been working, well, we just started on yesterday on our new number. Well, we've had it before, we're just reviewing. And that is the number, is that 3 or is that 4? It's 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's easier for me. And we have leaves to put on this one. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 leaves on this paper. 1, 2, 3. And we are now on a different, let me get these off of here. Well, I don't want that one. We are working on the letter N. What begins with N? N. A boy's name, Nathan. A girl's name, Nancy. That's right, yesterday I was trying to think of an animal. No, that's one of the cards we learn. We learn yes and no, and that's no. No, don't do that. No. Then we've been talking about this, because we're talking about our senses. Nose, that's the one right up here. And you use our nose to breathe in and out, and to smell. This is a favorite one. And it's 2 N's. Nurse Nicole. Look how thin she is in that picture. Nurse Nicole. I said that. So that's our letter N. N. Oh, and I forgot. Our color is green. And green is made from mixing yellow and blue. And it depends on how much yellow and how much blue you put in. That's how the color comes out. Like if you put in a lot of yellow, you get more of like a limey color green. If you put more blue, it'll be a darker shade of green. Today, I wanted to try working on this because I have stuff that goes along with it. So I thought maybe we could do this together. They have all these pictures here I'm taking off because we have to put them in order. The story we are going to read is Maria Goes to School. Bye, Maria. Having a good day. Hopefully soon we'll be saying Caitlin Goes to School. Oh, I should switch the name into yours.
All done?
It's written by Susan Hartley, illustrated by Angela Kamstra.
All done?
He's like sniffing for her lunch, or maybe he just doesn't want her to go. But let's see.
Okay.
I get my backpack.
You want a little bit more? One more bite?
You guys usually bring bags into school every day. I get my backpack. Oh, I think he wants to go with her. What do you think? The dog looks like he's smiling. Looks like he wants to go. I get my pencils. Okay, come on, Pages. I get my ruler, and that's what we use for measuring things. Ruler. She's putting it in her bag. That dog is like the happiest dog. He's so excited for her, I guess. I get my eraser. Oh, I don't have one for that. I get my crayons. And that's what we use to color with. Crayons. I should have gotten examples of these to show. Oh, it might be cool outside, so she gets her sweater. He's getting more and more excited. Look, he's grabbing onto her sweater.
Oh no. Oh no.
I get my brother. I guess her brother's going to go to school too, so they're going to go together. She's trying to take the backpack that way. The dog's trying to pull it this way. I don't know what that dog is up to. I get my lunch. See, Maria's on hers. His name must be Luis. And this is Emily. I get my lunch bag. Well, lunch. Aww. I get my hug. Everybody's hugging together. That dog wants something in that backpack. Probably their lunch, huh? Oh, they're lucky. I get my ride. They don't have to take a school bus. They get rides. And that's the end of it. Maria goes to school. Wonder where that picture's from then. These aren't talked about, Finn. And we met her dog, even though it doesn't really say anything about it. There's her dog. So, now that we read the story, we're going to look at some cards and pick out the ones that should go next. It's a sequencing activity. We have our blank sheet, and we are going to pick the card that however the story went along. You ready? So we need number 1. What do we talk about first? Maria goes to school, but we don't have a school here. What do we talk about first? I get my backpack. But for some reason they don't have I have 2 that don't belong here, and I don't have the backpack. So let's get to the one that she does get. What's she looking for under her bed there? She's crawling around. She's looking for her. Is she looking for her pencils? Or is she looking for a hug? What's she getting right there, Caitlin? She has to crawl around under her bed on her floor and pick up all her pencils. I get my ruler. Is this a ruler? Is that the same? Or is this a ruler? Which one does she get if she gets her ruler?
Something different.
Ruler, right there. She's not eating? He didn't eat.
He's pushing it away. He's drinking good, but I'm gonna try one of those cookie things. You just need something different to chew on.
No, I think they're down below. Joanne's fingers are having a hard time separating the pages, so it took a little bit. Well, we don't have a thing for this. Next, she gets her a box of different colored sticks. Are those crayons or are those umbrellas? That's a box of crayons. Then she gets her beautiful red, is that a sweater? Or is that a beautiful red lunch bag? Sweater. It's probably a little chilly out, so she wants to have something to keep her a little warm. Because you never know. Sometimes you get hot, then you take it off, then you get cold, you put it back on. Then she gets her brother. And after she gets her brother, she gets her lunch. Is this lunch bag or is this the lunch bag? Let me move it down so you can see. Which one's the lunch bag? Lunch right here. loves those.
Blueberry.
I get my, where's that picture? Oh, I get my hug. The whole family hugs together. Which one shows a hug? Is that a hug? Or is that a picture of them hugging? This is a dog. This is the picture of the hug. So that goes next. Oops, they came off because I didn't have them Velcroed on very well. Hope I put them back in order again the right way. So this is what we have so far. First she gets her pencils, her ruler, her crayons, her sweater, her brother, her lunch. Everybody gets a hug, and then what happens? I get my ride. The end. This way we put them in the same order as the story. So we'll go over this one more time. He doesn't want the purple things?
Yeah, he's eating it too. I just want to see what this was.
He gets his pencil, his ruler, sorry, her crayons, her red sweater, her backpack, her brother, lunch, a hug, and then a ride comes for her. And that's Maria's morning because she's going to school. I don't know what these pictures are from, but we'll have to figure that out. And they have this. It's not in color, but I'm going to go over it. They have, we want to know what pictures start with the letter H. H. H, H, H. Every letter makes a sound. The H says H. Like hello, holiday, how. Howard for a boy's name. Oh, trying to think of a girl's name. H. Helen. Yay! Oops, I've got a long hair right there. So this is to pick out all the things that start with H. And I didn't get it. Is it over here? Let's see. No, I didn't get a bingo dopper. So we're just going to look at them. We'll start all the way at the top. Do you know what that is a picture of? That's a heart. Does that sound like it starts with H? H says H, and this is a heart. Yep, that starts with H. Hammer. You hold on to it and you can bang nails in and things like that. Hammer. H. Yes. Hat. Put on your head. Hat. Does that sound like it starts with H? Hello, heart, hammer, hat. Yes. Uh-oh, there's her dog. Dog. Heart. Dog. No, that starts with D. Lunch. 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 Love. That starts with L. That's not an H word. Horse. Horse. Sounds just like the beginning of hat. Heart. Here we have a hand. Hat. Heart. Hand. Now I'll start with H. And I assume this is home. Home. The best H word of all, besides heart. Home. There's no place like home. Hat, heart, home. Or maybe they said house, but I chose home. And that starts with an H too. Good job.
So good.
So that is our lesson for today. It was nice talking to you, Caitlin. I hope you're feeling okay today and that you're getting better. I'm going to let Miss Julie say goodbye.
Bye, Caitlin.
Have a great day.
Miss Julie with her beautiful curly hair. And I will say goodbye. I'll talk to you later, Caitlin.